Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. As you may be aware, Amsterdam in the Netherlands has long been something of a party city. Many young British guys visit Amsterdam because of the relaxed attitude to marijuana, which you can buy in the coffee shops, and for some of the less appealing young men who go there, because of the legalised prostitution that's available in the red light district. It's traditionally been a place where young guys go to cane it, to get fucked up, to get messed up. But more recently, there seems to have been a backlash against these kinds of visitors. I saw a headline over the weekend which said, Amsterdam tells young British men who want a messy weekend to stay away. Now, you probably know the meaning of messy as untidy. So you might say, God, he's so messy, always leaving his things lying around all over the place, never tidying up after himself. You might come home after a weekend away and find that your 16-year-old has left the house in a very messy state. But that is a different meaning to messy. Here, if you talk about someone having a very messy weekend, it basically means a weekend that gets out of control. Usually because of people getting very messed up. Things get quite dark. Maybe people make bad judgments. Maybe they have a little bit of memory loss. Maybe there's some vomiting. And a certain kind of guy, a kind of macho guy, will often use this in a positive way. The idea is it got out of control and it was great. So you hear people say things like, oh, things got a bit messy last night. Oh, lucky you left when it did. It all got a bit messy afterwards. We started on the tequila slammers at midnight and we didn't get home till 6. People might also use it as a kind of way of mocking or making fun of their friends. So they might say something like, what, you were well messy last night, mate. Lucky we got you a taxi home. If you've enjoyed this video, please do share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students. Click the like button, and we'd love to see examples of how you might use this meaning of messy.